Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering credentials, the Apple Card number, expiration, and CVV. Install Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet. You need a host wallet because Wallet on iPhone won't sync to Android. Once done, enable NFC and location services on your Samsung. These let you add and tap cards. Make sure your bank and card accept tokenization for third-party wallets. If a verification code or photo ID is required, have them ready now so you can move to adding the card immediately. You'll manually add the Apple Card into Samsung or Google Wallet. Tap Add Card and choose Manual Entry. Type the card number, expiration, and CVV exactly. Once you submit, the issuer will require verification. Expect an SMS, email, or phone call with a code. Input that code promptly to authorize tokenization. After verification, the wallet will request permission to generate a secure token. Accept it. This creates a virtual card tied to your device, so you can tap to pay without exposing the physical card details. You finish by testing. Make a small purchase and tap your Samsung to the terminal. If the payment succeeds, you're set. If it's declined, first recheck the verification status inside the wallet and ensure NFC is on. Once done, remove and re-add the card if the tokenization step failed. If problems persist, contact the card issuer. Explain you're using Apple Card details in an Android wallet, and ask about token provisioning or merchant compatibility to resolve declines or missing features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.